All right, so I'm getting ready to make some banana bread, and I've got a really great recipe. Let me show it to you. Now, real quick, I'm going to be using my Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus bread maker to make this banana bread. And if you don't have one of these, that's okay, it's definitely not necessary. I just really like using it because it mixes all the ingredients for me, and the bread always comes out perfect. Now, to begin, we're gonna start with 1 stick or 113 grams of unsalted butter. Now, as you can see, I like to put mine through the cheese grater. It just helps to soften it a bit. Then 1 cup or 225 grams of smashed ripe bananas. Next is 2 eggs, half a cup or 120 grams of sour cream, 1 teaspoon or 7 grams of honey. Now, most recipes call for vanilla extract, but recently I was out of vanilla and decided to use honey, and actually I think I like it better. 192 grams or a little over a cup and a half of sifted bread flour, 1 teaspoon or 4.6 grams of baking soda, half a teaspoon or 3 grams of salt, and last we got 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar. Then if you're using your bread maker for this, we're gonna go to course 13, and I like to select dark crust. Now, if you're using an oven, I would preheat it to 350 and leaving it in for around an hour, and definitely checking the center with a toothpick to see if it comes out clean to know if it's done or not. Otherwise, we're just gonna let it cook, and once it's done, we're gonna let it cool for around 10 minutes. Then as you can see, it comes out looking amazing, and it tastes just as good as it looks. Now, I'll leave the recipe for this down in the description, as well as an affiliate link to this bread maker, and a link to a few of my other favorite recipes.